Abstraction in Python. Welcome to our Abstraction in Python training. By the end of this training, you will understand the concept of abstraction in object-oriented programming. Learn how to implement abstraction using abstract classes in Python. Recognize the significance of hiding complex implementation details. Explore how abstraction fosters code reusability and maintainability. Here are the key concepts of abstraction and how to utilize them. Abstraction is a crucial principle in object-oriented programming that simplifies complexity. Understanding abstraction. Grasp the definition of abstraction in programming. Action. Utilize the ABC module to develop abstract classes. Using abstract classes to ensure all subclasses implement specific methods. Implementing abstract classes. Learn to create abstract methods and subclasses. Action. Design clean APIs using abstraction methodology. Effective use of abstraction can significantly improve code organization. Enhancing code reusability. Recognize the importance of abstraction in software engineering. Action. Apply abstraction principles to maintain clean code. Now let's explore practical examples to reinforce your understanding. Creating a payment processing system where different payment methods inherit from a common interface. Analyzing payment systems. Create a payment processing interface for different payment methods. Your action should be: implement an interface that multiple classes can inherit. Developing a game where different character types inherit characteristics from an abstract parent class. Developing character classes. Design a game with various character types based on an abstract character class. If you're building a game, ensure each character type follows the abstract class template. Let's recap what you learned. Abstraction simplifies complex systems. Abstract classes serve as a contract for subclasses. Utilizing abstraction results in improved code organization. Start applying abstraction techniques in your Python projects to elevate code quality. Thank you for participating in our Abstraction in Python training.